Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zaskia Nabila with name 24030029. Today I will presenting about exponential generating function and ordinary generating function. Let's go, enjoy. Generating function is a tool to handle selection and arrangement problems with repetition. Let's assume n equals a0, a1, a2, a3, and so on. Sequence such as that next one first ordinary generation function of RFBE in Indonesia from an is px equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity an x to the power n to the power of n equals a0 x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1 and a2x square. And the next second exponential generating function from an is px equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity an x to the power n over n factorial equals a0 x to the power 0 over n factorial plus a1 x to the power 1 over 1 factorial and a2 x square over 2 factorial. And next generating function berhubungan dengan tiga bentuk series berikut. First, power series are direct kuasa. That suatu series yang berbentuk sigma n sama dengan 0, sigma n equals 0 to infinity an x to the power of n. Second, series Maclaurin, px equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity f to the power n x to the power n over n factorial. And let's direct series Taylor is series Maclaurin where x equals 0 berbentuk fx equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity f to the power of n 0 x to the power n over n factorial. So that's px equals v0 x to the power 0 over 0 factorial plus f derivative 0 x to the power 1 over 1 factorial plus f derivative second derivative 0 x square over 2 factorial plus f third derivative 0 x cube over 3 factorial and fourth derivative 0 x to the power of 4 over 4 factorial. And next series Taylor is series Maclaurin where x equals 0. For example 1, determine the Taylor of the function f(x) equals 1 over 1 minus x, where x equals 0. First, we get fx equals 1 over 1 minus x, that kita bakal mendapatkan, we get f0 equals 1. Langkah keduanya atau second, that we step 2, f derivative, step 2 second derivative, we get from step 1, we get from fx equals 1 over 1 minus x, dimana where it's same 1 dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power minus 1. Maksudnya sama dengan artinya 1 dikali 1 kurang x pangkat minus 1, sehingga angka tersebutlah yang bakal pangkat minus 1, angka tersebut yang bakal kita turunkan lagi. Didapatkanlah second derivative-nya, yaitu 1 over 1 minus x to the power 2, because 1 times 1 minus x to the power negative 1 times to the power negative 2, because awalnya kan negatif 1 plus ditambah karena kalau turunan atau derivatif ditambah, so negative 2 to be negative 1 to be negative 2, and times negative 1, and kita mendapatkan hasil 1 dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power of negative 2. So in what? So in fraction we write 1 over 1 minus x to the power 2, and derivative 0 equals 1. Step 3, it's same as step 2 and step 1, but I explain to you. So step 3 atau third derivative get 1 times 1 minus x dalam kurung to the power of negative 3 times negative 1 from derivative 1 minus x. So hasilnya their third derivative equals 2 times 1 minus x to the power minus 3. In fraction we write 2 over 1 minus x to the power 3. In pecahan, kalau ingin dijadikan pecahan, pangkatnya menjadi positif dari negatif. And okay. And for step, it's same. 2 times minus 3 times 1 minus x to the power of minus 4 times minus 1. So we get 6 6 dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power negative 4. In fraction we write 6 over 1 minus x to the power 4. So derivative 0 equals 6. And 5 last step, 4 times 6 times 4 times 1 minus x to the power of minus 5 times minus 1. So we get 24 over 24 dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power minus 5. And or we write in fraction 24 over 1 minus x to the power 5. So, and for derivative 0 equals 24. Next, so series Taylor from Vx equals 1 over 1 minus x, where x equals 0, is Px equals 1 plus x plus 2 x square over 2 factorial plus 6x cube over 3 factorial plus 24 x to the power of 4 over 4 factorial. And next, so Px equals 1 plus x square plus x cube. And next, and other next, I have example. It's same for untuk memudahkan we learn in exponential generating function and ordinary generating function. Wait, I search my PPT. Okay, it's in PDF from my lecture Mrs. Yulianti Harisman in latihan mandiri first, tunjukkan bahwa I'm Indonesia. Tunjukkan bahwa 1 over 1 minus x to the power 4 equals 1 plus x to the power 4 and 1 and x sorry. Tunjukkan bahwa 1 over 1 minus x to the power 4 equals 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 12. And next. So we get, dapat disimpulkan, 1 over 1 minus x to the power n equals 1 plus x to the power n plus x to the power 2 times n plus next equals sigma e equals sigma a equals 0 to infinity x to the power n times a. Okay. It's same step with my example 1. This my example 2. It's same step by step, but I can explain to you to make you understand. Okay, first we get fx equals 1/1 minus x to the power 4, and here f0 equals 1 because x diganti dengan 0. Okay. So f0 equals 1. Step 2, derivative get step. So we get 1 times 1 minus x to the power 4 kurung minus 1 and derivative to be minus 2 and times minus 4 x to the power 3 or minus 4 x cubed, because derivative from 1 minus x to the power of 4 is minus 4 x cubed. So it's di all times dikali semuanya get b equals 4x cube times 1 4 equal x cube dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 dalam tutup kurung square minus square. So in fraction we write 4x cube over 1 minus x to the power 4 square dalam tutup kurung square, and sure f derivative equals 0. Step 3, second derivative. It's same step, but I can explain to you. What my signal bad connection. Waiting. Okay. But no, it's same. Step 2 not it's same. Kita gunakan u over v because mempermudah jalan. Jadi kita gunakan u over v because v times u derivative minus v derivative times u over v square. So we have u equals 4x cubed. So u derivative equals 12x square, and v we have 1 minus x to the power 4 and square. So v derivative is v derivative equals 2 times 1 minus x to the power of 4 times minus 4 negative 4x cube equals negative 8 x cube dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4. Kita tuliskan, kita masukkan angka-angka tersebut ke dalam rumus sehingga second derivatifnya menjadi 1 minus x to the power 4 square times 12x square minus 4x cube times negative 8x cube times 1 minus x square minus x to the power of 4 over 1 minus x to the power of 4 and to the power 4, because awalnya kan dipangkatkan 2, tapi sebelumnya kita mempunyai v-nya yaitu 1 kurang x pangkat 4 kuadrat. Nah, kita pangkatkan lagi 2 karena rumusnya v kuadrat, sehingga that's to be 1 minus x to the power of 4 and to the power of 4. So we get 12x cube 12x square times 1 minus x 4 to the power 4 square plus 32x to the power of 6 times 1 minus x to the power of 4 over 1 minus x to the power 4 to the power next 4. Jadi jadi 1 kurang x pangkat 4 dipangkatkan 4 lagi gitu. Nanti bisa dilihat bisa kita lihat di layar. Selanjutnya factorkan for x square times dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 di pembilang. And we get 4x squared dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 dalam kurung lagi 3 dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power 4 minus v kuadrat tadi, and we get 4x square dalam kurung 3 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power 4 over 1 minus x to the power 4 n to the power of 3. Why 3? Because in pembilang have 1 minus x to the power 4 1. So kita kurangkan, kita coret bagian atas dan bagian bawahnya dicoret 1 juga karena bagian atas mempunyai 1, sehingga pangkat di bawah atau v kuadrat tadi itu menjadi 1 kurang x pangkat 4 pangkat 3 berkurang 1. So we get 4x square dalam kurung 3 plus 5x to the power 4 over 1 minus x to the power 4 to the power 3. And step 4, third derivative. We step the second derivative where u equals 4x squared times 3 plus 5x to the power 4 equals 12x square plus 20x to the power 6, and u derivative equals 24x plus 120x to the power 5. And v, we have 1 minus x to the power 4 and to the power 3. So v derivative equals 3 times 1 minus x there to the power 4 to the power 2 times minus 4x to the power 3. So we get third derivative equals 1 minus x to the power 4 dalam kurung to the power 3 dipangkatkan 3 lagi times 24x plus 120x to the power 5 minus 4x squared times 3 plus 5x to the power 4 times minus negative 12x cubed times 1 minus x to the power 4 and to the power square, maksudnya udah dipangkatkan 4, x nya dipangkatkan 4 jadi kuadratkan. And don't forget v quadrat, v square is 1 minus x to the power 4 dalam kurung terus to the power 6. Why 6? Because we have v equals 1 dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 tutup kurung to the power 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So to be 1 dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 tutup kurung 1 to the power 6. Okay. And next we factor 12x times 1 minus x to the power 4 dalam kurung ya, itu dalam kurung kan, square di pembilang. So we get 12x times dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 tutup kurung to the power 2 dalam kurung lagi 1 minus x to the power 4 times 2 plus 10 to the power x to the power 4 plus 4x times 3 plus 5x to the power 4. We get 1 minus x to the power 4 times 2 plus 10x to the power 4 times 4x times 3 plus 5x to the power 4 equals 2 plus 8x to the power 4 minus 10x to the power 8 plus 12x plus 20x to the power 5. And we factorize because all suku mengandung faktor 2. So we get 2 dalam kurung 1 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 5 to x to the power 8 plus 6x plus 10x to the power 5. And urutkan sesuai dari pangkat terkecil. So we get 2 dalam kurung 1 plus 6x plus 4x to the power 4 plus 10x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 8. So pembilang to be 12x 12x times 2. So we get third derivative equals 24x dalam kurung 1 minus x to the power 4 tutup kurung square times 1 plus 6x plus 4x to the power 4 plus 10x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 8 over v kuadrat sebelumnya. But we have in pambilang 1 minus x to the power 4 dalam kurung square, and we penyebut juga punya, jadi tinggal kita kurangkan sama seperti langkah sebelumnya. Karena punya atas ada 2, bawah ada 6, dikurangkan menjadi 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So penyebutnya menjadi 1 menjadi 1 minus x to the power 4 pangkat 4, kalau gitu to the 4 lagi. So series Taylor fx equals 1 over 1 minus x to the power 4 px equals 1x to the power 0 plus 0x factorial over 1 factorial plus 0x square over 2 factorial plus 0x cube over 3 factorial, and next. So kita dapat simpulkan 1 over 1 minus x to the power n equals 1 plus x to the n plus x to the power of 2 times n plus x to the power of 3 plus time n and plus equals sigma e equals 0 to infinity x to the power n times e. Next example to you, so you understand about explain to me from me. Example number 3. A to the power x equals 1 plus x plus x square over 2 factorial plus x 3x to the power 3 over 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 over 4 factorial, and next plus other. Sigma n equals 0 to infinity x to the power n over n factorial. We have fx equals x to the power x. So f0 equals 1. First step, we search derivative, but we get derivative from e to the power x is itself or e to the power x, and second derivative itself a to the power e to the power f to the power x. Third derivative same e to the power x sampai until fn derivative x equals x to the power x. So we get f derivative 0 equals 1, f second derivative 0 equals 1, third derivative 0 equals 1, and same. Next, so a e to the power of x equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity x to the power of n over n factorial equals 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 over 4 factorial, and press next. So substitution ke rumus Maclaurin, so we get so series Maclaurin, so we get a e to the power x equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity f to the power n times 0 over n factorial x to the power n equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity 1 over n factorial x to the power of n. So last example from me to you, e to the power negative x equals 1 minus x plus x squared over 2 factorial over x cubed over minus x cubed over 3 factorial minus x to the power 4 over 4 factorial and others, and next. So equals sigma n 0 equals 0 to infinity minus 1 negative 1 to the power of n x to the power of n over n factorial. We have fx equals a to the power negative x, so f0 equals a to the power 0 equals 1. So step 2, f derivative. We write a to the power gx times g derivative x. So we write a to the power negative x times negative 1. Why negative 1? Because derivative from minus x is negative 1. So we get negative x to the power of negative x. So f derivative 0 equals minus negative a to the power of 0 equals negative 1. Step 3, or derivative, second derivative, we just adding tanda negatif. So negatif dari negatif kali negatif a to the power of negative x equals a to the power negative x. So f second derivative 0 equals a to the power 0 equals 1. And third derivative, it's same with derivative 1, and we get minus negative a to the power of negative x. So f third derivative 0 equals negative a to the power 0 equals negative 1. Pola, we have a pola. Kesimpulannya kita ada mendapatkan pola f to the power n 0 kali 0 equals 1 if and even atau genap, and minus 1 if and odd atau ganjil. Atau dapat we say f to the power of n0 equals minus 1 to the power n. Substitution to direct ke series Maclaurin, a to the power negative x equals sigma n equals 0 to infinity f to the power n times 0 over n factorial x to the power n sigma n equals 0 to infinity minus n to the power of n over n factorial times n to the power of n. So we get x to the power of negative x equals 1 minus x plus x squared over 2 factorial minus x cubed over 3 factorial minus x to the power of 4 over 4 factorial and next gitu, n plus next. So sigma n equals 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of n x to the power of n over n factorial. That Series Taylor of we say Maclaurin from a to the power of negative x and in where x equals 0. X equals 0. Okay. So that's all my presentation today. I am sorry if I salah-salah kata in English. Maafkan saya Bu kalau saya salah-salah kata dalam pengucapan. Semoga yang saya jelaskan dapat bermanfaat bagi kita semua. Amin. Sekian dari saya Bu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.